welcome guys. Let's start to design the simple part in Catia software. So here you can see an isometric view of this 3D model, and at bottom you can see actual sketch of this. So let's start to design this part in Catia. So go to open first of all Catia software, go to mechanical design, part design, and do whatever name you want to do. Let's start to design this part, but first of all we have to add this part plane. We are creating our own axis system so that to create this axis system, call one origin point, and this point is act as origin, and insert axis system to this point. Now let's start to design this part. So go to sketch positioning, select this ZY plane, origin as this point, orientation is parallel to this line, and we have to create one center rectangle here. So go to center rectangle here from this profile tab and give origin as this point. Draw the such rough sketch like this, and let's start to give dimension to this. So height of this is 100 and length is 120. Give height as 100. Also the length is 120. Let's make this elongated hole here. For to create this, go to profile tab and fly out to the center rectangle here and select this elongated hole. And make sure to draw only on this horizontal axis. Let's start to give dimension to this. Center to center distance is 60. So this is 60. And the radius value for this is diameter value is given, so radius value comes as 20. And here we make this elongated hole symmetric this vertical axis and create one circle here having length as having radius value as diameter value is given, actually it is 20. And horizontal and vertical it is present at same distance, means vertical it is present at 20 mm, and horizontal also it is present at 20 mm. Now exactly same we want on other side and this side also, and this select this circle and go to mirror command and select this vertical axis. Now select this both circles, go to mirror and select this horizontal axis. Now you can see we have created a fully constrained drawing here. So now exit the 2D sketch workbench on. Before going to pad, make sure you are in a part body of an object, and now you can use pad command here. Select this sketch and will take up to 50 length. Now you can see this part is created exactly like this.